So guys, welcome back to Cat Comrade, and in today's video we are going to learn about how to save a AutoCAD file as a JPEG or image. So it is not as easy as we save a PDF or any other file format like 3D or something like that. This will take two more steps to send it or save it to your client or your colleague, anyone. So we are going to start with the simple thing that will the plot, the sheet or the drawing that you want to save, and then I'll just select the previous plot. If you don't know how to plot a sheet or how to plot a drawing, then I've made a separate video for that. And if you also don't know how to set up this settings in the plot model, then I've also made a different video on that, so check it out on my channel. So here I'm just going to select the drawing that I want to save as a JPEG. So I'll go with this one and go with portrait and just save it. I'll save it on my desktop. Let's say JPEG. I have an JPEG one. Okay, so this will save the drawing as JPEG. So what you need to do now is you can go to any online platform that can convert this PDF file to a JPEG file, and then you can send it off to your client very easily. So till now, AutoCAD does not have a direct option to save a file as JPEG or a PNG, but just adding to one or two more steps to your process, you can save your file as JPEG. So that's all. Send it to someone who may need it, and thank you for watching.